Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use .env in Flutter. So we are going to use package named flutter.env. So let me show you quickly. So here I am in pop.dev and now search for flutter.env, and then here you can see the first package named flutter_.env, and it is published, or I believe it is updated 35 days ago. And here you can simply create a .env file in the root of your project, and you have to include the .env in assets section in your prospect.yml file, and then we have to include it in our .gitignore file to exclude it in version control system. And we can simply load the .env file in the main.dart, and we can access the environment variables by using something like .env, and we can simply pass the variable name. So it is quite easy to integrate. So let's start it quickly. So we'll start by installing uh, it. Okay, so to install this package, just go to installing tab and copy this command flutter pub add flutter.env and paste it here in your terminal. And now you can see the new package named flutter.env in your prospect.yml file under the dependencies section. Here you can see flutter.env. Now let's load, or let's include the .env in asset section. Simply uncomment this in line number 63 and 64, and instead of this image we have to include .env, and let's create a file named .env in the root directory. So click on the empty space if you are using VS Code below this readme.md, and now click on this new file icon and you can simply name it .env. Okay, so our .env file is also ready, so it will find it shortly. Okay, so let's go back again in the readme, and now we can simply store variable like this. Okay, so okay, we can use now .env to store some API endpoints or port number, or any sort of flags, okay, that make our development work easier. So it is not recommended to use flutter.env for sensitive information like API keys and other sensitive tokens, is uh, those data can be retrieved if the app is reverse engineered, or some hackers can extract that data even our app is obfuscated. So avoid using .env to store the sensitive information. Instead of that, you can use any backend server to fetch those data and use it in your app. So this is what the developers of this package recommends. Okay, so we have successfully added in the asset section, and now we have to include it in uh, version control. Okay, or .gitignore file. So not actually include, to exclude it in version control system we have to mention this line here. Okay, and now we can simply load this .env file in our main dot like this. Just simply copy this and make sure that the main function is asynchronous, as it takes few seconds to load the data from the file. So make sure that you import the package. As we have imported or installed a new package, let's stop the app and run again. So let me run the app. Now you can simply uh, use the environment variables in the code. Like, let's go back in the UI, down in the UI, and here we can simply make a text widget. Hey, this is the value from environment from .env file, and we'll simply use string interpolation here. And let's go back to documentation to see how we can actually access it. So we can actually access it by using this statement like .env, and we can simply pass the variable name. So here we can simply paste it. Make sure that you exclude that semicolon, and here we have to include .env. Now we don't have any variable yet, so let me start with API endpoint, API endpoint, and this is going to be https www.myapi.com. Okay, so if your environment variable contains any special symbol, you can simply uh, escape it by using a single quote. Okay, so we can use something like price is equals to $100, something like this. So let's try to fetch it in the main dot. Okay, we have syntax error here, so our build is failed. So let me quickly complete it, and we'll run the app again, and I believe it will work. So here you have to pass your variable name, that is API underscore endpoint. And I can simply add, and the price is, so this is just a demonstration. Okay, there is no sense of associating price. Okay, so let's build the app again. Finally, our app is built, and you can see we have successfully loaded the environment variable from .env file. So here you can see, hey, this is the value from .env file, https // and so on, and here the price is $100 that we placed it here. So guys, that was this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment. Thank you for watching.